If you're a web designer that's new to business and really struggling to break out into this space because of its saturation, then I want to share with you this exclusive video from my Agency Alchemist program that's designed to really help you as a web designer position yourself in a niche so you can stand out from the noise that exists. I have done videos before on how to build an offer, but this one really focuses on how you can build an offer as a web designer. So if you want to start to understand what you should avoid doing and instead what you should be doing, then stick around. Hi, and welcome to this lesson inside the Agency Alchemist. Now this lesson is titled Niche Specific Website Offers Positioning. Wow, that's a mouthful, isn't it? So, in the previous video, I actually spent a bit of time diving into offers, the elements of an offer, and a couple of generalized examples because I really want you to start seeing the way that you offer your service differently, so you don't get lost in the saturation that seems to exist. So many of you will be seeing web design as a service, but I really want you to see web design as just the tool or the mechanism or the vehicle, the vessel to essentially help your niche or your ideal customer achieve their desired result. So in this lesson, what we're going to be covering is we're just going to recap offers and its benefits from the previous lesson. We're going to go through some bad examples of niche offer positioning, and then I'm going to share with you what I consider good examples of website related offers or niche offer positioning. So an offer is the way that your service is positioned, right? But it's not your service. Okay, the offer is designed to attract customers to buy from you through speaking to their drives, their goals, the problems, and the pains. Essentially, when it comes to your offer, it won't be a case of having a good or bad offer. All right, it's often on a scale, and that scale is how good or how bad your offer is. So your offer is essentially what you are taking to the market and the way in which you are positioning your services to that market. Ultimately, your aim is to present your service, be it web design, be it SEO, or even paid ads, in a way that's really, really attractive to your ideal customer and actually focuses on the result and the benefit, not the service. So what does the service give them? What is the desired end result? Because that's what's going to make it a no-brainer for them to buy from you rather than somebody else. All right, let's recap formulating your own irresistible offer. Now, to create your own offer, you ideally want these 5 things established. First of all is the goal that you're able to achieve for the business. Okay, so this is a benefit or the result which your niche desires the most. Next, it's how long does it take? What is the amount of time it takes for your niche to reach their goal once they've used your service? And you want this to be as quickly as possible. Third is the process the business needs to take in order to achieve their goal. Okay, so you would map that out. What steps are taken when they work with you? And you want to make this really easy for them to imagine. Next, you want a unique implementation, if you can, of the steps to get said results. Now, this is what's going to help you really position you different to everybody else. Because if you have your own process, chances are it's unique, but you just need to make that clear that what you do is different to other people, and that's why you get this really desirable result that your niche wants the most. And then finally, we've got risk reversal. So creating risk reversal to make it a no-brainer for them. And often this is things like a guarantee, but we can also implement things like they don't pay if the result is not achieved, or they get their money back, and things like that. So what can you do to make working with you an absolute no-brainer for them? So offers succeed when they inspire certainty and position your product's service as the vehicle or vessel to their desired destination. Now, generalized positioning leads to offers that look like every other agency. Offers succeed when they are unique and they force the market to perceive a product or business, so be it web design, in a different way. Web design is not unique, paid ads is not unique, SEO is not unique, but it's the way that you package it, the way that you wrap it up that's going to be unique and allow people to really set you aside from everybody else in the industry and all of your competition. The amount of people that I've spoken to that are struggling, and what they'll do is they'll complain that the niche is saturated, but it's not niches and markets that saturate, it's the offers that saturate. So I really want you to fix your offer to your niche, and you're going to have much better success. the more that you can work your offer to stand out from all the commodity that exists out there, it's a no-brainer that you will have more success in those. So again, just a quick recap on why having a good offer is important. It can increase every single metric in your business. Okay, this includes sales, this includes booked meetings, this includes response rates. A couple people in the community have in the past asked how they can increase their response rate or how they can get more of their looms watched and things like that. And ultimately it comes down to how strong your offer is. So I just want you to take that into consideration. Having a good offer also increases the level of persuasion. It makes client acquisition easier, and it positions you away from your competitors, allowing you to stand out in what you may consider a saturated niche. And you become valuable and not just a commodity. So the majority of the offer will be defined throughout the entire web page sales copy. Okay, it's not something that just always sits at the top of the website. It's done throughout the entire copy. However, we can take elements of your niche offer and we can present it in the hero section of the website. So it's really clear what it is that we're offering within the first 3 to 5 seconds when someone lands on that page. Remember that we don't have a lot of time these days to draw people in and just quickly tell them that they're in the right place and that you're going to be able to help them. The purpose of this lesson really is to just give you better examples of niche specific web design offers, so you can really start to build your offer and not make the mistake that I see countless generic web design agencies and web designers making. So you can start to take web design as a service and present it in a way that is attractive and does make you stand out in your given niche. So I've got 4 examples here, but ultimately, when I was looking for these, I found loads. Okay, so it is really quite alarming to see how many agencies and businesses and freelancers are positioning themselves in this way. And it's no wonder that when you do this, it's feeling ever so more difficult to stand out. Everybody offers web design. Everyone seems to be an award-winning agency or company these days. Each and every one of these, they're just another commodity. Like doing what these guys are doing here, it did work, but I don't believe it works anymore. Like, you will just get lost in the void. And if you're trying to break into this space, you are not going to be able to stand out. Chances are these are established agencies already. Maybe they're running paid advertisement and they've got large budgets. But if you are just breaking into the space, you can't do this because you will just get lost. You will drown in the saturation and you'll really, really struggle. And then the chances are you'll give up, or you'll blame the niche, or blame something else, or blame your outreach, or blame your messaging, etc., etc. So this is what we want to avoid. And instead, I do have a few examples for you just to give you an idea of what it is that we want to be striving for and how you can go about standing out. So first of all, we've got this title and subheadline, which is attractive websites for electrical contractors. Start booking more jobs with a easy to use website within 14 days. So this is doing so many things here. Okay, it's telling us what we are offering, who is it for, what is the goal, we've got a benefit, and we've also got a time indicator. And when someone sees this, when landing on your website, it is so clear what it is that you do and how you stand out. In this example, the niche is electrical contractors, and primarily you'll want electrical contractors being the one that discovers your website and sees this. And if they do, they're certainly going to prefer you over, a generalized marketing agency that says the same thing. Next, we've got no hassle websites that transform a pet store's online presence in just 30 days. Turn visitors into loyal customers with a custom designed website that's built for bookings. Love it or your money back. So again, there's a few things that's happening here. What is it that we're offering? No hassle websites. Who is it for? Pet stores. How long? Time, 30 days. The goal, bookings, getting loyal customers. The risk reversal, love it or your money back. And then finally, one more example, we've got stress-free websites to make your floral business bloom online. An easy to navigate website delivered in 7 days or you don't pay. Attract more customers, showcase your arrangements, increase online orders. So again, it's pretty clear about what the benefit is, what it is that we're offering, who is it for, what's the benefits, another benefit, the time in which the service is delivered, the risk reversal, and a bullet point list of goals just to really hone in on that. So I really want you guys to look at these. I want you to look at all 3 of these, and just hopefully it gives you the inspiration that you need to start formulating your own offer. Watch the video again if you need to. Think about what benefits you can offer, what services you can offer, how long you can deliver, or how quickly you can deliver the services. Focus on the results and the goals that your niche wants the most, that it's going to be desirable for them, and have a think about the risk reversal. What can you do to make it a no-brainer for them? So that summarizes this training. You now know a recap of offers and benefits, bad examples of niche offer positioning, and good examples of website related offers. So there you go, there's a little exclusive insider to the type of content that exists within the Agency Alchemist program. Hopefully you found this valuable. You can really start to see how you can position yourself differently within what seems to be a pretty saturated market these days. If you can really nail your offer, you're going to do a very good job of standing out in your space, no matter your niche. So if you found this valuable, please do give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. And there's more content appearing on the screen right now, which is designed to also help you. That's it from me. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.